Have you ever wondered how a light turns on with just a switch? Or how your mobile phone, your fan, or even your remote-controlled car works? Well, guess what? It's all thanks to electrical circuits and electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of wires, batteries, and tiny magical chips that make our world go buzz and blink. What is an electrical circuit? Let's start simple. A circuit is just a loop where electricity flows, like water in a pipe. Here's a famous definition. An electrical circuit is a closed path in which current flows from a power source through components and back again. Think of it like this. A battery is the power source. Wires are like roads for electricity. Bulbs, fans, or speakers are the things that use that power. If the loop is complete, electricity flows and everything works. If there's a break, it stops, just like a water pipe leak. Types of circuits. There are two main types of circuits. Series circuit, one path. If one bulb goes out, all of them go out, like old Christmas lights. Parallel circuit, many paths. If one bulb goes out, the others still shine. Example, your house is wired in parallel, so your fridge doesn't stop when you turn off your bedroom light. And what flows inside the circuit? It's called current, measured in amps A. The push behind it is called voltage V, and the things that resist flow, like a narrow pipe, are called resistance, ohms mohmer. What is electronics? Electronics is like the smart cousin of circuits. It's all about using tiny parts called components to control electricity. Some key components are resistors, control how much current flows. Capacitors, store energy like little batteries. Diodes, let electricity flow in just one direction. Transistors, act like switches or amplifiers, used in computers. All your devices, phones, TVs, game consoles, use electronics to make things work automatically and intelligently. Here's a cool quote by Nikola Tesla. Electricity will do for the world what steam has done for the past. He was right. Without circuits and electronics, we'd be living in the dark, literally. That's why learning this subject is super important for engineers, inventors, and curious minds like you. What you'll learn in this playlist. In our awesome electrical circuits and electronics playlist, we'll explore how batteries work, what makes a bulb glow, how to build circuits, basics of transistors, capacitors, and diodes, and how all this fits into smartphones, robots, and space tech. We'll keep it simple, visual, and super fun. So the next time you press a button and something lights up, just remember, you've used an electrical circuit and maybe even a bit of electronics. Comment below, what device do you want to learn how it works? Like this video, subscribe to power up your brain. Let's plug in and power up.